So students, hope everyone has done it correctly. That is A3, right? No doubt, right? Okay. So let us see the questions, answers, right? So 1 to 4 answer here. First one C, second one is A, third one is D, different, right? Fourth one is D here, right? It is a square numbers. 2 2s are 4, 6 6 are 36, 4 4s are 16, 24 we can write it as 6 4s are. So that is not a square number, right? So this is clear, right? Next let us go to fifth one, which is same. Option A is same. So fifth is option A. Okay, now sixth is option B, seventh is option D, which is same, eighth is option C, right? So now from ninth is B, 10th is B, 11th is A, and 12th is C, right? Now part 4, 13 is B, 14 is B, 15 is A, 16 is B. Okay. So next if you see, that is 17 question. 17 is B, right? Why? P. After P, Q will come, right? Yes.
Sir, one missing.
One missing, right? After P, Q, R, S, T, U, V will come. So option is option B here. Understand? So here 18 is B, 19 is A, and 20 is B here. Okay. So here 21 A, 22 it can be A or D, but actually it is A, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 23 is A, 24 is A. Okay, I gave both the marks. You may get confused. That is why. Yes. So these are the answers. Okay. So next here, that is 25. What is the answer? C. 26 is D, 27 is A, 28 is C. Okay. So now 29 is C, right? Very easy. Okay. Don't be confused with option D. That is because here A, B, C are similar way. That is why it is C answer. Okay. So 30 is B, 40 is C, 32 is 31 is C, 32 is A, right? Next 33, 34, right? So 33 is A, 33 is 34 is B, 35 is A, 36 is B. Yes. So next let us see.
When you will send the form?
So see here students, 37 is option B, C, that is easy. Okay. Next is 38. 38 is option A. Where is it? It is here, right? Yes. It is here. Okay. Understand? It is here. Option A. In option B and C and D it will not come. Okay. And 39 you just have to little bit rotate it. What you have to do? You have to little bit rotate it. It is in A. Where is it? That is here. Okay. Yes. If you rotate it, you will understand easily, right? It is here. Okay. 39. You can go with options. That is B. B is not possible. So here it will not come. C. Will it come in C? Yes. It will not come. Like this if you take, but here this is not there, down, right? So that is why C will not come. Understand? It will come till here, but this is not there, right? That is why not the answer. Now D is not the answer, so that is why A is the answer. Now 40, directly 40 is there. This is here, right? So that is why answer is option B here. Okay, understood? So students, 41 question. What is it? That is product of the place value of and face value of 5 in 52,380. So 5 place value is 50,000. 52,000 means 50,000. So face value will be same, 5 only. So 50,000 into 5. 5 5s are 25. So 4 zeros as it is. 2,50,000 answer option B here. Very easy this is. Okay. That is how you have to do. So next question, what is it? Product of two numbers is 198. If one is 9, the other we have to find. So if you want to find other, we just have to divide 198 by 9. 1 is 9, right? So you just divide 198 by 9, you will get the answer. 9 to the 18, from 19 1 will be remaining and it will become 18. 9 to the 18, so 22 will be the answer. Or you can go with options, that is by multiplying with 9. Two numbers product they are asking, right? So two numbers product, one is 9, so multiply with 9, it will be how much? It will not be 198, right? So if you multiply with 9 here, here only you will get 198, right? So it will be 189. So that is why not the A answer. So 9 is how much here? 29 is 180. Here 19 9 is how much? That is 171. So this is the answer, option B, right? You can go with both the ways. So see students, that is question what? That is 43. So what is the question? Ascending order of the following fraction. You can go with option, ascending order or descending order, it will be in the same way, right? But here 19 13 then 27, it cannot be in any way, not descending also, not ascending also. Option A will not come here. 27 20, 19 13 25, 13 25 and 19, this is not in a one order, that is not answer. You can also directly go with option, 13 25 19 is coming, not in one order also. So B is the answer, it is in order. 25 27 25 19 13, that is in order. You can go with this also. Or you should know, in descending order, when denominator is same, when numerator is here, numerator is same, so numerator is same means the denominators we have to arrange in big to small, big to small. Why? Because it will be, yes, smaller, the bigger one will be smaller, this is the smaller, and smaller numerator will be bigger, okay? Smaller numerator will be, that is, sorry, it is denominator, right? So numerator is same means when the denominator is smaller, it will be bigger here, okay? Understood? Okay. So see students, next 44 question, simplify they are asking. So 44 is very easy. So 36 plus 6 into 4 plus 88 minus, so here 4 into 6 divided by 12 is there. So 4 6 is how much? 24 divided by 12. So 24 divided by 12 you take. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So answer will come 2. So here 6 4s is 24. So here 24 will come. 36 plus 24 plus 88 minus 2. So if you add them all and minus 2, you will get 146 answer. Option C here, right? So see here next 45 question. What is the 45 question? A person started working at the age of 25 years 6 months. Now he is 50 years 5 months. Working time is how much? Right? So here we know that is 50 years 5 months from what? 25 years and 6 months. So we have to minus it. What we have to do? We have to minus it. So to minus it, what we have to do? We have to take, here we cannot minus 5 months and 6 months, we cannot minus, right? So 1 year means 12 months. So you add 12 months here, or you can minus directly also. That is, if you take 12 months here, it will come what? 1 year will go here. So 49 years and 12 months if you add here, it will become 17 months. 12 plus 5 17 months. So here 25 years 6 months. Now minus it. 17 minus 6 11. 49 minus 25 is 24 years, right? So 24 years 11 months is the answer, okay? Or you can go with options by adding both, then you will get the answer, okay? So see students, 46 question. What is the question here? What is the difference between the greatest 7-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number? Great. So here greatest 7-digit number means 9. For greatest we have to repeat 9. 9 9 7 times. Greatest 7-digit number. Now smallest 4-digit number is, for smallest we have to write 1 and zeros. So that is 1000, right? So if you minus 1000, how much your answer will come? That is 999,8999. That is option D here. Okay, yes, that is the answer if you minus 1000. Very easy. Okay, so students, next 47 question. What is it? A woman purchased apples at 40 rupees for 8 apples and sold at 30 rupees for 5 apples. So profit or loss for 40 apples we have to find it, right? So women purchasing how much? 40 rupees apples for 8 apples. One apple will be 5 rupees, yes, or you can take purchase, that is buy. 8 apples she bought for 40 rupees. So 40 apples will be how much? That is, you cross multiply. So 40 into 40, 8 will divide. So 8, that is 1 apple is 5 rupees. 5 40s are 200 rupees is the cost price for 40 apples. Now sold at how much? 30 rupees for 5 apples. Means 5 6 are 30. So 6 rupees is 1. Right? So 5 apples 30 rupees. 40 apples will be how much? That is, she is selling 40 apples, right? So we have to find for 40 apples. Here also 40 apples, here also 40 apples only we have to find. That we have to match it. Okay, so 30 divided by 5, so 5 6 are 30, so 6 rupees is 1 apple. So for 40 apples it will be 40 into 6, that is 240 rupees. So she took at 200, sold at 240 rupees. So profit is 40 rupees, right? That is minus 240 minus 200, 40 rupees is the profit. So option is option C here. Okay, got it? So see here, 48 question. Okay, so 48 question now. What is the 48 question? Yes, that is here, right? So 48 question, area of square garden is 484 centimeter square. Find the perimeter. So area is 484, that is a square area. Square area, how do you find? Side into side. So if you take factorize this, when square is given, area is given, you factorize this 484. 484 will come 11 table. 11 fours are 44, 4 will be remaining, 11 fours are 44. 11 fours are 44 now. 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. So 11 into 2, 11 into 2. 2 times. 11 is 2 times and 2 is 2 times. So 11 into 2, 11 into 2 we can write. So one time we have to take. Side is 2 times here, here also 2 times. So that is why one time we have to take. Side is equal to 11 into 2, 22. 11 twos are 22. So side is now 22. They are asking to find the perimeter. So how do you find the perimeter? 4 into side. That is 4 into 22 is 88. So option is option D here. Okay. So now students, 49 question here. 49 is what? They are asking smallest number which is when divided by 16, 18, 24, 30 leaves remainder of 5 here. So what we have to do first? We have to divide. That is, take the LCM, and remainder means we have to add 5 to the LCM. What you have to do? You have to take the LCM and the remainder is 5 here. So remainder we have to add it 5 LCM. So LCM of 16, 18, 20 will be 720 plus 5 will be 725. Option is C option. That is B option. Okay. Or you can go with options also. Understand? That is, divide it and you should get remainder of 5 in all case. Okay. So better you find the LCM and add the remainder 5. Okay. Understood? So see students, 50 question. 50 question is easy. What you have to do is, here listen. Okay. So sum of two numbers is 2020, that is 2020. If one number is thrice the other, sum of the greater number digits, right? Sum of digits of a greater number they are asking. So what if one time? So one number is one time means other number will be 3 times. So one number is one time means other number will be 3 times. So total how many times? Total 4 times. Total 4 times means here we have to divide that 4. One time will be how much? That is, divide with 4. 20, 20 if you divide with 4, that is 4 5s are 20. Now 2 is smaller, 4 5s are 20. So 505 will come. So they are asking the sum of digits of a greater number. So bigger number, that is the greater number will is 3 times here. So 3 times, right? So 3 times of 505 will be 550, that is 1515. So some digits means we have to add. So 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5 6, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 6 12. So answer is option C, 12 here. Okay. So now students, see here 50 question, 51 question. One of the complementary angle is double the other. Their difference is one is 1 time, other is double. 1 plus double is 3 times, right? So 3 times will complementary means 90 degree. 3 times will be 90 degree. So 1 time will be 90 divided by 3. So that is 30 degree is the answer, right? So their difference they are asking. One is 30 degree means other will be double, so 60 degree, right? So 30 minus 60 is 30, answer option A here. Okay, yes. So if I want to write that completely, wait here. So see here, so other is double, so this is 51 question. Okay, yes. So double is 2A is how much? 60 here, double. So 30 minus 60 is difference, if you take it will be 30 only. Okay, minus if you do, understand? So this is how you have to do. Okay. So see here students, 52 question. So they have given if 1 by 0.2 is 5, then the value of 1 divided by 0.002. So 1 by 0.2 is how much? Here 5. So we have to find 1 by 0.2. 1 by 0.2. So we know we have to shift the point. If you shift the point, this you make it as 0.2. If you want to make it as 0.2, you have to take 2 times, right? So 2 times if you shift, it will become, here also top also we have to shift 2 times. So it will become 100 and this will become 0.2. This if you shift 2 times means. So it will become 0.2 and in the top it will become 2 zeros 100. Okay. Now here 1 divided by 0.2. 1 divided by 0.2 is how much? That is 5 here. So 5 into 100. 5 into 100 is how much? 500 answer. So 500 option is option B here. Got it? Okay. Let's go to 53 question here. That is convert 5209 meter into kilometer. 5209 meter means it is 5000 meter means 5 kilometer, right? 1000 means 1 kilometer, so 5000 means 5 kilometer, and 209 meter as it is will come. So 209 meter as it is. So option B is the answer for 53. Okay. So now let's go to 54 question. So see here 54 question is what? That is a seller purchases TV for 25,000 and repairs it at 300. If he sold it at 32,000, what is his profit? So here question is wrong. Okay, so it should be 6,700. You change it 6,700, option B. Okay, change the option B to 6,700. So here repair, TV is purchased at 25,000 and repaired is 3,300. So total is 25,300. Now he sold at 32,000. So how much is the profit? You have to minus it. That is 32,000. How much? Minus 25,000. How much? That is 300. 32,000 minus 25,300. If you do, how much you will get? 6,700. Okay, so that is the profit. You change the option B here. Okay. Sir, so students, next question 55 question is very easy. That is predecessor of 10,000. Predecessor means before. Number before 10,000 is 9,999. Option A. Okay. Now 56. What is the value of this? Okay, this will not be given in the exam because it is different denominators, but also you know that is here 2 and 2 by 1 is how much? 5 by 2, and 3 by 4 is, that is 3 by 4 only. So here next 3 and 1 by 2 is 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 2, and 1 and 1 by 4 is 5 by 4. So we have to minus it now. So 2 and 4 LCM will be 4 here, so we have to multiply with 2, 2 to the 4, 5 to the 10. So 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3 is 7 here, so 7 by 4 will come. Here how much? 7 by 2 minus 5 by 4, so LCM will be 4. So 7 to the 14 we have to multiply, 14 minus 5 is 9 here. So here 5 minus 7 by how much? 4 plus 9 by 4, so 4 will be the LCM. So here we have to multiply with 4, 5 4s are 20, minus 7 plus 9. So answer will be 20 minus 7 is how much? Or you minus 9 minus 7 is 2. 20 plus 2, 22 by 4. Cancel it. Which we can cancel? 2. 2 we can cancel. 2 to the 4. 2 11s are 21, 22. So 11 by 2 answer means 5 by 5 and 1 by 2 answer option B here. Okay, that is the answer. Understood? So see here students, 57 question is very easy. So decimal equivalent of 11 and 3 by 7. 11 and 3 by 7 means 11 point will come. 11 means it is 11 and means 11 point. So 3 by 7 you have to divide it. So 3 by 7 how do we divide? So 3 is smaller, we have to take point and give 1 0 here. So it will become 30. So 7 4s is 30, that is 28. 7 4s are 28. So it will be 2 remaining, right? So 30 minus 28 is 2. Now point is there, we can take 1 0 here. So 20 now. 7 2s how much? 14. So 20 minus 14 is 6. It will become 60. So here 7 8s are 56, right? So 4 will be remaining. So that is 4 to 8. Point 4 to 8. Point 4 to 8 is which option? Option C. So that is why answer is option C here. Understood? So see students, here 58 question. What is the 58 question? What is the fraction represent? The sum of the shaded regions. Okay. So total is how much? Here 2 out of 4. In this 2 are colored. So 2 out of 4. Here 3 are colored. 3 out of 4. So if you add them, total will be 2 plus 3, 5. So 5 out of 4. Option is option B here. Very easy. Right? Now let's go to 59 question. Right? So in the graph it is given 100 income of a vendor over 5 weeks in 100,000. One is 100,000. So they are asking in which week was income lowest. In which it is lowest? Lowest means less. So which is less? Yes?
Week 4, week 4.
So week 4 is less. So that is 60. Okay? So that is week 4 is less, option D. Understood? Very easy. Now 60, prime factorization of 640. We know prime factorization means we have to divide with prime factorization.
Option D.
Okay? So option D is the answer here. You have to change in the key. Okay? So key it is B. So it is answer option D. 640 here. So here 640 means you divide with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 0. Now 16 2s are 30. So 16 means 160 here. 2 8s are 16, 80. 2 4s are 8. Now 2 20s are 40. 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. So 2 is how many times? 2 is 7 times. So 2 power 7 and 5 is 1 time. So here in option D it is 2 is 7 times. So here 2 4 times 6 times here, then 7 times. So 2 is 7 times in option D. Option D is the answer. Okay? Understood? See here. So we will go to English. I think everyone completed this. Very easy, right? So English is what? That is directly I am going to the answers. Okay? This is the passage. So answers for 61 is D, 62 is A, 63 is B, 64 is D, and 65 is C. Okay, any doubt here? So now passage 2 here. Students, passage 2 is this, that is the answers are 66 is B, 67 is B, 68 is C, 69 is B, 70 is C. Okay. So next is passage 3 here. So passage 3 answers are 71 is B, 72 is B, 73 is A, and 74 is A, 75 is B. Okay. Now passage 4, this is it, right? So that is 76 is A, 77 is B, 78 is B, 79 is C, 80 is C. Okay, these are very easy. Understood?